I will talk about how can you fix this problem on your Planner 5D app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list, and all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here. In here can you're looking for Planner 5D app, or just click here on search. So then here add Planner 5D app here, click on it, then it's going to take you to this list. Then you just click here on for stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage, then come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your Play Store. So you click here on Play Store here, then here you search for Planner 5D app. It's going to show for you like this. You will find here update, click on it, and it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.